Hi there and welcome back to Create.Africa, the platform that links inventors and innovators. Again, Create Africa is part of the Center for Intellectual Property and Information Technology Law, simply put, CIPIT. In the first videos, we told you what IP is, what IP rights belong to you, and how to protect your IP rights. In this fourth video, we're going to talk about how to look at your competitor's IP in order to leverage your strengths. Sun Tzu said, to win any war, you must know yourself and you must know your competitor. To know your competitor, I'm going to bring about 3 steps. The first is simply put, know the barriers to entry, the statutory barriers and the common law barriers. Has your competitor been on Create.Africa and understood the importance of registration of their IP? Do they have a registered trademark? If they have registered, for example, their trademark, to what extent have they registered it? Is it localized to Kenya? Have they gone to Africa? Or have they gone a worldwide registration of their IP? This enables you to understand the extent to which you can compete with them geographically. If they do not have a statutory registration of their IP rights, you then look at the common law barriers. For example, in common law, where one has not registered a trademark, the concept of passing off applies. Passing off basically means that this person has not registered their trademark, but it is a well-established matter of fact that their trademark actually applies. And as such, it then becomes unfair for you to then use their trademark against them. Think about it this way. If you have, for example, you want to go into the sweets market and you want to compete with eclairs. Eclairs is known by the purple and gold. And then you go in and create a neclairs, for example, having only changed the N in front of the eclairs. That would be the chance of you getting into a litigious dispute. Which brings me to my second point, the litigious capacity of your competitor. Is your competitor a very well-established brand? Is he huge in size? It then makes sense that you ensure that your bases are covered, that you have registered your IP, that your brand is without blemish, to ensure that you do not go into the very expensive and time-consuming litigation process. After you've done these, then you need to look at the strategies to ensure that you as a startup, you as the innovator, thrive in the market. As an innovator, there are 2 issues you have: your size and your financial capability. Your size is easily assisted through social media, and social media can only be assisted through the creation of a good brand. And a good brand can only come about if you have protected your IP. Then the next step is to ensure that you have increased your financial capacity. And to increase your financial capacity is simply put, being on Create.Africa, because we link you to the investor. And to link you to the investor, we must ensure that you know the information that you should have in order for the investor to trust you enough to give you his or her money. This forms the last bit of our 4th video. And again, thank you so much for joining us on Create.Africa. I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Thank you.